Okay, guys, I am not going for the sugary juices, but my favorite drink, and another whole topic of discussion since I stopped drinking alcohol about 6 years ago, is kombucha. So good for your gut. It's fermented, it's sparkly. If you put it in a little champagne or wine glass, this just sorts me out. And I know it's great for my gut microbiome, which is really important during menopause. So in the cheese aisle, I actually love all cheese. I'm finding this hard not to pick up everything here. Really good for calcium, for keeping our bones strong, for protein, keeping me satiated. Just a nice little snack would be some nuts, some cheese, some olives. So alongside very mature cheddar cheese, in my weekly shop I always get halloumi, which I love. You could just easily griddle that and stick it on stuff. I also love feta, which I put on my salad, and I love paneer, which is, and we got some feta. This looks good, but I'm actually going to go for, if I can, the organic option, which is quite good value. And I'm going to get some paneer, which I use a lot in Indian dishes, but I just love paneer. I can stick that in to everything. It's really yummy. Really love yogurt, and I eat yogurt on a daily basis, but I would say try and avoid all the sugary ones. So for me, I go for kefirs because they're really great for your gut health. I love this big tub, and if this is organic, different brands actually, you could keep switching them up, will have different strains of the good bacteria in them. So it's always nice to keep switching brands. Really like this one, so I'm going to grab a big tub of that. Sometimes just get the drinks as well. There's quite a few different kefir drinks that you can stick in to smoothies. I mean, I've got so used to it, I don't even notice. I mix it in with my yogurts. I have got my most important, the highest fat, full fat I would go for, not low fat, but Greek yogurt. So I literally can't live without tubs of Greek yogurt. It's really good, again, for your bones, your calcium. So yeah, yummy. I'm going to stock up on lots of yogurt. So as a vegetarian, and for everyone, especially in menopause, we want to try and build as much lean muscle mass as possible. So protein has to be a real focus in all of your plates. So because I'm vegetarian and I want to eat less processed food, I always go for the clean types of tofus and tempehs. There's lots of different processed ones out, but I'm going to go for nice clean ingredients that I can then spice up and just, make to my taste. Tempeh has got even higher protein than the tofu, so I'm going to grab some of those tempeh. And then I do love different textures. Sometimes this one looks good. This is a nice firm tofu, so depending on how you're cooking, but this is a great way to get protein into your diet. I've never tried this one. That does look good.